Just a cup of this drink will help your children get rid of the mucus in their lungs and boost their immune system. Hello everyone, it's your lucky day because in this video we are going to show you how to make the most powerful homemade juice, which is extremely effective with expelling the mucus out of the children's lungs and boosting up their immune system. Just 1 cup of this homemade natural juice will help your kids get rid of the mucus and restore their immunity. And the main purpose of this homemade juice is actually intended for kids who cough all the time and you can hear mild squeaking from their lungs. This homemade drink is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Ingredients: 1 cup of whole oats, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. Directions: here's what you need to do. First you need to wash the oats and then put them in a small pot with 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Size of the cup should be about 200 ml. Put the mixture on a stove and let it boil for a couple of minutes. It would be best to cook it at night and leave it until the morning. In the morning squeeze out the oats and put the healing juice in a glass jar. Put it in a fridge. From this mixture, 1 cup of oats plus 1 cup water plus 1 cup sugar, you'll have enough juice for 4 to 5 days. How to use it? If you want to get the best results out of this homemade natural juice, you should give it to your kids every morning on empty stomach immediately after waking up. You should give 1 small cup, 30 ml cup, of this drink to your kid and you should do that every morning for 40 days. Then you should take a 15 days break and after that break, you can start giving them this drink again every morning for another 40 days. Your kid will get rid of the mucus and it will get his low immune system boosted. This is extremely important for you to know. Don't skip days. Let your kid have his cup of this miracle drink every morning and keep to the schedule for 40 days, then 15 days break, then go for another 40 days. Once you go through with this home remedy you will never need it again, because your kid won't be prone to viruses and diseases anymore. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.
Want to clear mucus from your lungs and give an instant boost to your immune system? Try this. To be honest with you, I really think that we all know that our immune system is the first line of defense against all types of infections and diseases. Well, this is the main reason why we need to take a really good care of it. Our immune system is what's keeping us safe against the attacks of all the bacteria and microorganisms we come into contact with, and if our immune system isn't working properly, this means that we're at higher risk of getting sick. Our immune system is made out of a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body. The lungs are extremely important organs in the human body because they're responsible for the inhaling and storing oxygen, while exhaling carbon dioxide from the body through the nose. Well, this means that if there's a mucus buildup in our nose it can cause a blockage, making it difficult for us to breathe and affecting the lungs as well. The experts highly recommend that if you're experiencing problems with mucus buildup and you believe your immune system needs a boost, then you should definitely try this homemade remedy. This simple but effective homemade remedy will boost and strengthen your immune system and clear your respiratory system of the mucus buildup. It's safe for both adults and children because it's completely natural and overall health beneficial. We all know that our kids sometimes play in dirt and they come in contact with all kinds of microorganisms, which is the main reason why they fall sick quite often. Their immune system is evolving and it makes them stronger against all diseases. The most common health problems that usually affect children are cold and cough. Usually they're nothing serious, but if the cold and cough lasts for longer it may mean that there's mucus buildup in the lungs, which can be serious if not treated properly. What's mucus? Mucus is a secretion produced by our bodies. Up to 1 or 2 liters of mucus is made every single day. Usually we spit it out, but when a person suffers from a cold or an allergy, it tends to clog our breathing tubes and can become a general nuisance. This is normal even though uncomfortable, but if it lasts for longer it can become a serious problem, especially if you see greenish color, phlegm or blood mixed with the mucus. In this case you should immediately go see a doctor and check your lungs. As we already mentioned, the main function of our immune systems is to protect the body against diseases or against the foreign bodies which can cause potential harm. Well, this means that you should be very careful and give your immune system a boost, so it can protect you against all types of diseases. As we said in this article, we're going to show you how to make the best homemade remedy, which will boost your immune system and protect you against all types of diseases. You will need the following ingredients. 1 glass of honey. 1 glass of water. Oats. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to wash the oats thoroughly and then mix them together with 1 glass of honey and 1 glass of water. Make sure to use a glass of 100 ml capacity. Boil the mixture for several minutes and leave it as it is overnight. The next morning strain the drink and store it in a glass bottle. Store the mixture in the fridge and it will last for the entire week. How to use it? The experts say that you should drink 30 to 40 ml of this beverage on an empty stomach every morning for 40 days. After that take a 15 days break and do it for another 40 days. You can give this drink to children as well, and they will have a strong immune system that will protect them from any kind of viruses and bacteria. The best part is that you won't have to repeat the process again and again. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share.